Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on a jumping variation of our front kick. We're going to be doing two different variations. So the first variation, it's called a fake jump front kick or Edon Apchagi.
Edon Apchagi. So
one more time. Edon Apchagi.
Apchagi.
Good. Or fake jump front. So starting from your fighting stance, facing me, please. Good. The leg that's in the front does the kick. What leg does the kick?
The leg in the front. So
very good. So if you find yourself kicking with the rear leg, it is not correct. So what you're going to do though is you're going to bring up your rear leg like you're going to do a strong front kick right to me. And you're not going to do anything. And then you do a quick hop, switch, and kick. Good. So one more. Fake hop, switch, kick. Good. And with speed. Ready. Hi. Good. Hi. Excellent. So when you do this kick is only intended for the chin. So you just, all that centrifugal force, all that force goes right from the ground to the chin, throwing your opponent backwards by their head. I've got this kick done to me that exact way. Not fun. Not fun. It's not good. So throw me to the mat for sure. That is our fake jump front kick or Edon Apchagi. Now let's talk about variation number 2, which has in itself a lead leg or a rear leg variation, the pop-up version of a front kick. So he starts directly in a fighting stance facing this way. Now, the first thing that we have to focus on is just doing a nice jump, switch your legs, and land. Again. And jump from the back, switch your legs. So practice doing that, jump, switch. Jump, switch. You see how he's tucking his legs really high? That's important. Do not jump like Mario. Good. So don't just jump straight legs. You need to be able to jump and switch your legs because that rear leg is one of the things, the first thing that we're going to do. So as he does that jump, when he's in the air, he's going to kick with the rear leg. So notice jump, tuck, kick. Yes? Jump, tuck, kick. Not jump, kick, tuck. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So it looks like Mario if you try to do it all at the same time. Don't jump like Mario. 3 steps. Very good. Now the more flashier, kind of more difficult version is the lead leg. And so to do that, you're going to kind of slide your back leg to your front leg to build some momentum. Squat your bum down and then pop, kick with that leg that's in the front. Again, slide, squat, pop. Good. And now let's see it on the target. Ready, rear leg. Hiya! Hiya! Good. Lead leg. Hiya! Other lead leg. Hiya! Good. And that is our pop-up front kick or Dia Apchagi. So those are both jumping front kick variations. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.